Hi guys, welcome back. So the next plugin we are looking at is twtData. So this plugin enables you to fetch Twitter data from any public account. It can be the Twitter usernames, bio, follower count and much more. And I've installed this plugin. I've also enabled this plugin. I haven't enabled this plugin. So let me go ahead and enable this plugin, twtData. And let's look at what this plugin can do. So it gets the Twitter data on any public account, their name, bio, follower count and much more. So basically, if you have to use this, use twtData and followed by anything you want about that user, it will fetch that data. So here's how you can use it. So get account stats. This function retrieves the stats of the Twitter. You need to provide the user Twitter usernames. The function will return rest of the information. So for the first one, so we are using Elon Musk, and let's verify his followers count. So it's 144.6 billion. So if I just copy paste this prompt here and go back and paste it, so yeah, you could see the plugin will be used for this, and here it's giving the username as this. It retrieved the information, account was found, and the date of creation was 2009, and it gave rest of the information, and follower count is 14.6 million. So similarly, if you wanted to get Twitter stats for POTUS, which is the president's United States president's account, so you can get data about it. So if you, let's go and check if you want. So if you just do POTUS here, yeah, he has 31.3 million followers, and yeah, he has 31.3 million followers and follower count is 13. And similarly, let's go on to Mark Cuban, M Cuban. So we'll also verify his data. Here I wanted to know the follower count, and I wanted Twitter, this plugin, to get this information. So let's go here and do MC Cuban. So yeah, he has 8 million followers. So after this, we are interested in knowing when the Harry Potter's author's Twitter account was created, and we should get the data for this. And to wrap it up, the last one, this one is a startup founder, so I wanted to know how many tweets he has tweeted till date. And if you can elaborate it, you can see it fetched all the data, but it only retrieved whatever you have asked for. And this is the last one. So this is useful if you don't know how to use Twitter APIs to get your data and you are interested in retrieving that data. You can get some users' Twitter data or any public accounts Twitter data. I hope this helps. Thank you for joining.